To do QuickBooks Payroll. Start by setting up your payroll preferences, including your company details, payroll schedule, and employee information. Go to the Edit menu and select Preferences. Then click on Payroll and Employees to access the payroll settings. Next, add your employees to QuickBooks by going to the Employee Center and clicking on New Employee. Enter the employee's personal details, including their name, address, and social security number. You will also need to enter their job title, hourly wage or salary, and any benefits they receive. Once you have set up your employees, you can start processing payroll. Go to the Payroll menu and select Enter Payroll Information. Select the pay period and the employees you want to pay. Then enter their hours worked and any deductions or additions to their pay. After you have entered all the necessary information, you can review and approve the payroll. QuickBooks will calculate the payroll taxes and deductions, and you can print or email the pay stubs to your employees. It is also important to stay on top of your payroll taxes and filing requirements. QuickBooks can help you with this by tracking your tax liabilities and generating the necessary tax forms. You can also set up automatic tax payments to ensure you never miss a payment. To ensure accuracy and compliance, it is a good idea to review and reconcile your payroll regularly. Go to the Payroll menu and select Payroll Reports to view a summary of your payroll activity. You can also use the Payroll Liability Balances report to check your tax liabilities and ensure you are up to date with your payments. By following these steps and using the tools and features in QuickBooks, you can efficiently and accurately process your payroll and stay on top of your tax obligations. Remember to always review and verify your payroll information to ensure accuracy and compliance with payroll laws and regulations.